We're at this complex of buildings on Waukegan Road in Glenview. And I'm assuming they all have the same elevator, so I'm just gonna film one of them. But I'll check the records tonight, and if they actually have different elevators, I'll come back and film the others. Let's see, I hope it's open. What's that? Is that the elevator in there? I think so. Oh, there's two. Ah, Dover, very nice. No bell. It should get a Nobel Prize because it has no bell. And I should get anything but a Nobel Prize for that god-awful joke I just made. Whoa, yellow indicator. $12. 13. Very nice. Oh, now it's just 3. Down to 1. Future COP. Still relay controlled. That's pretty neat. It's in good condition. I'd like to see one where the certificate says bad condition. Oh, bumper that got replaced.